Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive on Spanish Town Road and see what's going on, read the construction on Spanish Town Road. So we're coming off Washington Boulevard now and going on to Spanish Town Road. Now Spanish Town Road is being renovated. They are laying pipes and then they're going to pave over the road. So NWC, National Water Commission, gave out $1 million project to lay pipes along this road. Now they have a lot of residential areas off Spanish Town Road. It's a very busy road. As you can see, it's 6 lanes, 3 on each side. And there are no roads outside of the toll plazas that are wider than 6 lanes in Jamaica, 3 on each side. This is the widest road you're going to see in Jamaica, outside of the toll plazas where the roads separate into 8, 9, 10 lanes to go to the toll plaza and then come back into 3 or 2. So this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. It also takes you from Mandela Highway to downtown Kingston or to Halfway Tree. This is the road you would take if you're going in any of those directions. So you have a lot of communities off Spanish Town Road. On the right is the Riverton community, then you have Seaview Gardens, you have Denham Town, West Kingston. This road runs all the way to downtown Kingston. You have Olympic Gardens, you have Trench Town, a lot of very large residential areas. So you find that the water supply to these areas was not adequate because the areas grew, or the communities grew so big that the water pipes were not adequate to supply water to all these areas. So Water Commission gave out a contract to lay bigger water pipes. Some areas, different size pipes will be laid in different areas. And I think the project cost like over 20 million US. And so the road was dug up and the pipes were laid, and Water Commission says once these pipes are laid, NWA can go ahead and proceed with the paving of the road. So NWC, National Water Commission, gave out the contract to lay the pipes, and NWA, National Works Agency, gave out the contract to pave over the road. So NWA said, we have the contractor, the funds are in place, everything is ready to go. We're just waiting on Water Commission to tell us they're finished with their part, because they don't want to pave over the road and then Water Commission comes and digs it up. And that has happened, unfortunately, on a few occasions. So right now, the last official update was Water Commission said that they've laid the pipes and they're going to pressure test the pipes to make sure everything is okay. And they pressure tested the pipes, and then they dug up the road at certain parts, and then they patched back the road, or they did whatever they needed to do, but that's apparently there's been no further update. So because the paving of the road has not started, we have to assume that Water Commission is not yet finished with laying the pipes. Something went wrong with the pressure testing. And after they started the pressure testing, they did dig up certain parts of the road, but there is no sign of Water Commission on this road now. So we're not sure why the paving has not started, but that's what this project is about for Spanish Town Road. Now you can see the state of the road because this project has been delayed a very long time. The road was dug up and they haven't paved it yet. So we'll keep you guys updated. And as you can see, no construction work is going on this road. Nothing to say the paving is going to start soon. So we'll keep you guys updated. But the water situation is a very serious one because a lot of these communities have to go without water sometimes. And in this day and age, you need a proper supply of water. So it's good that they decided to coordinate the NWC and the NWA so that the road doesn't have to be dug up after it's finished. But we need to know what's going on. Why is it taking so long? Why haven't you paved even a section of the road? Because we can't have people driving on a road like this. Alright, so on the right is the entrance to Seaview Gardens. Now, on Spanish Town Road, two of the most popular locations are the ones we're coming up to. On the left is the Toyota dealership, and on the right is the 214 Exchange, and that is the Red Stripe 214 Exchange. That's where they make and distribute all the Red Stripe there, and Red Stripe does other products as well. It's a very large facility over there. So anytime you think of Spanish Town Road, those are the two business places you usually think about. Now you have quite a few other business places, but you have a lot of warehouses, distribution places, because this road also leads you to the wharf. Okay, so something is definitely not right here. This is not a two-way turning lane. The car on the white car is the one that has the right of way. That silver car should not have turned there. It's not a turning lane coming from that road. But these things happen. Whoa, there's a car going over the bar. This is why in Jamaica you need a concrete barricades. It's the only way to control traffic in Jamaica. That's just the way people drive on the roads. When you have the concrete barricade, you cannot turn over the barricade. So that is why most persons ask, why do they have these barricades? Put up a nice grass thing, looks much better. But people will just go over it the same way. The only way to control the traffic is the concrete barricades. Of course, you see this truck now, just block the road, trying to go across. Tell you, Jamaica is a special place when it comes on to the roads. Okay, that turn on the left, that's where you would turn to go into Olympic Gardens. But it's very good that they're fixing the water pipes, because those pipes that would have been laid before would have been laid years ago, decades ago, and they just weren't adequate to provide the water. So it's good that they're laying those pipes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.